Welcome to TL Store. Today, we're at a brick plant to show you how you can produce high-quality bricks yourself. First, let's take a look at Mexi bricks. These are made using a mix of 1 bag of cement and 4 wheelbarrows of river sand. This combination gives the bricks their attractive gray color, which is highly favored for many construction projects. The Mexi bricks are known for their strength and uniform appearance, making them a top choice for builders. Next, we move on to the blocks. These blocks are also made with 1 bag of cement and 4 wheelbarrows of river sand. Now, let's take a look at some red bricks. These are made with crusher sand and cement. The brownish color comes from the natural hue of the crusher sand. Although these bricks are more cost-effective due to the cheaper crusher sand, they might not have the same polished look as those made with river sand. The choice of material affects both the color and the overall appearance, so while they may be less visually appealing, they are a budget-friendly option. If you're looking to produce your own bricks, remember that using 1 bag of cement with 4 wheelbarrows of river sand results in high-quality, attractive bricks. Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit us at TL Store for more tips and tutorials on brickmaking.